Every artist where you see reach to the top, there's someone that then sell out. Where they start off with them.
Yeah.
Alkaline, they start off with one youth as in get the breaks and sell him out.
Yeah.
That doesn't move that we have to make.
Yeah.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
When you done with Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. You know what things say. So people, I pull up that video here now. And it's very important because more show no how artists fall off so easily. You understand? I really want to know, but the artist are named Progress. You see me? I think him they get one hot song. I think it named Memory Lane and thing when him talk about say yo, my walk past house and him wish him could have buy one and yeah, good song. Good artist do him thing, conscious ask and everything. But you see the mindset, if you don't have the right mindset, you can't go become successful in your life. You understand? But really want to know hear where that brother you say because I don't know what wrong with him mindset. And maybe that's why him career not reach to the level that him want to reach it. You understand?
Yeah, deal with that now, Jesus.
I don't see you. That's the first question I say. Why am I not see you?
You don't want to see me.
What do you mean?
You don't want to see me.
You don't know Jamaica?
I'm there, man.
You don't know Jamaica? You're on tour?
I'm there, bro. I'm there all the time.
Yeah?
I see all the time.
I say, yo, I
see all the time. I'm perform all the time, and then I look back for my performance when I'm not see it.
Yeah.
So I kind of pray to you know.
True. Might as well. Might as well pray me for sure, man. You don't see the performance, you sure?
Yeah, I'm not see them. You come like say, yo, if an artist not to know, I'm put thing in the channel.
Yeah.
But I know say I've used things in all these.
I pay where I deal with.
I pay.
Yo. Yo, last time I see a performance with this brother and I must say 2022 stick, you know. You understand? But bro, music, you know, you can't just do music. So, bro, you have to have, if you make a money, you have to invest money in your career, dog. You have to promote yourself, brother. You understand? You have to promote yourself, fam. You see me? You can't just feel like say you're an artist and you feel like so everything, everybody are gonna just do things for you, bro. The artists them in the media and them look a thing there, bro. At the work with them put in, brother. So when PH pick them up on every performance them do, yeah, it got dead because them put in the work and build them catalog and everything. You understand? But you can't do that, brother, do show you feel like say yo, people are gonna just put it up on your page if bro, you have to promote yourself as well, brother. Dancehall is not an easy game. You understand? You have to pay, invest in yourself. You see me? You think a joke thing?
No, be like
Nah, did it right.
No, be like that.
You know it. That's what I said. A joke can't make my head up on tour every second, man.
No, I mean, I live on tour. If I live on tour, and my mother and time,
yeah, that's it.
So basically, him say him not have no money if you do them promotion, if people put him up. Well, brother, dog, I'm a survivor. Because if you do music, you not have no money if you promote yourself, brother. Nobody not promote you, dog. That me I tell you.
If I live on tour, you have a seat. When I tell live, I live on tour.
That's true.
I live on tour. Just they are going to put in work, see you. That's it.
True. So, different, what you been up to? Like,
Just check it still up.
People, I want to hear what that brother you say, because I don't know, him confused. Him really confused me, I tell you. When me hear the man I pull off this, brother, me have to really make no hear.
Elaborate. Every artist where you see reach to the top, there's someone that then sell out. When they start off with them.
Yeah.
Alkaline, they start off with one youth, as in get the breaks and sell them out.
Yeah.
Because doesn't move that we have to make.
Yeah.
Every single cartel they have to sell out, but like them and then you there.
Yeah.
And Bex for years.
Yeah, true.
Until them turn back friend. TJ, when I turn TJ and Busha, in a problem until then turn back friend, bro. Sometimes I just sell out someone else and then I come back around.
So you don't sell nobody?
No, I'm not. I show you.
So you have to sell out somebody, man.
This man say, you have to sell out people to go up on a different level. Brother, I feel like when you sell out, you not understand what is a sellout, you know, bro. You understand? Bro, I not sell out that, bro. You try progress in a life. You try make a change. That not sell out, brother. I don't know where you get this Alkaline sellout. Sellout who? Who Alkaline sellout? You understand? If you want somebody fall out, bad business, seen, and you say, yo, you move on, you go look somewhere else. I not sell out that, brother. That not sell out. You try protect your thing, you try make your thing strive. That not sell out, brother. Sell out are like when, alright, you and your dog get catch with something. Seen? And when you go a police or whatsoever, and you're dead, you and him get catch, you know. And then when you go in the room and them separate the two, you know, you start telling him some information. You understand? For your freedom. You see it? That a sell out, brother. You see me? Remember, two of no get catch. But, you see me? You know, you are bail out for your thing. Yeah, that is the cause sell out, two of no get catch. You see me? So, that a sell out, dog. So, if a man fall out because of bad business or what, see, that a sell out, brother. You see me? You have a business and when you find out, say, this person where you hire rob you. Where do you sell them out because you fire them? Them a do something bad, bro. I not sell out that, fam. So I don't know where you get that, bro. Maybe at that depend on your mind. Okay. That's why you don't reach to a certain level because you feel like say you have to sell out somebody if you reach it, you go and wait.
So it will I does show you say it did you know. It track there for show you.
Yeah.
Everything what me I say a facts. If a man will look into it. You know.
Yeah.
Vibes Cartel, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Shabba Ranks, Popcaan them, Alkaline them, all of them. Something has been done where somebody went forward with them from scratch, but they have to just let them go. I know say, yo, they have to do that to reach that level, to the next level. You get me? I say, there's sometimes you have some people forward in your life, you know, if you care from point A to point B.
Yeah, true.
You see, minute you're stuck with them now.
Yeah, true. Remember
because loyalty, we turn in a cross, you know.
True.
We see loyalty, we turn in a cross, you know.
You can't have a lord and live on hill.
Yeah, me I go agree with the loyalty some of the time. Yeah. But when you say sell out, bro, me don't know what you mean by sell out, brother. I don't sell out that, bro. And if you go talk about Popcaan and Cartel thing, brother. Cartel go prison. What you expect Popcaan to do? Sit down and not do nothing? And him have family for feed? The man have to continue with him life, brother. You understand? He have to continue with him life. You see it? Me don't know. The thing is that I think them say something about Ray him tell some police or whatever. Me don't know what they mean. You understand? But nobody have a clear thing. But moving on with your career, seeing if Cartel maybe did there, maybe Popcaan would have still there on him. But Popcaan have to move on with Fame Life, dog. Everybody have to move on with Bounty and Cartel. Cartel, them have a little thing. Cartel will have to continue with him career, dog. You see it? I just saw it thing go, brother. You see me? But you don't know. You don't know them are going to say Ray, why I think but Cartel are par with something the enemy and all of them little thing there. You see me? So yeah, that is something like, yeah, them would have said that I sell out. You see it? But yeah, somebody move on and you progress for your life, brother. And I sell out that, brother. I don't know where you get that from. But the loyalty thing now, yeah, at times, you see me, it's like sometimes loyalty make you become weak. You see me, says like, yeah, do this to that person yeah, because sometimes opportunity forward and you just reject the opportunity there because you're loyal, but the loyalty not really treat you the way, you know? You just do things and you realize that, yo, man, not really get nothing. Yeah, so like, the loyalty not treat you good more while because you have a good heart, them kind of take advantage of that and, you know, mash up your things. So I understand with that.
You can't have a lord and live on the hill. Lord, I go fail you.
You go fail you.
You can't fail you. So you try to go this hill with this ladder.
Yeah, you have to let it go.
You can't deal with the hill with the ladder.
Yeah,
you want a four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Ladder feel fuck up around our part if ladder did have feelings.
So it's just, it's so fuck up a reason, or my reason. It may be so that way. I'm on, we understand what I say, I understand what I say, bro. We see, what I say are facts. It's just that.
You don't have that. I know for a time. Even the industry should be out, you know, if them things say I move to hype or you this or you don't want to do an interview or you don't want to come at them stage show for a certain amount of money. People that just start saying, yeah.
Well, the thing is after me never do that on them act there.
No, I'm just say.
Me move to guys stage show with no money.
Yeah, true.
When me should I get money? You understand? Me move.
People, and that is why enough of them, that's why enough of them artists, yeah, career kind of fall off after a way. I mean, them career just get played out, come on out. Because I see a lot of artists do it. Seeing like when them boss them get them break and when you look, them and this pairing with other artists. Alright, when the artist perform, trim a par with the artist, him they behind the artist, and then when you look, artist call him man. Although him not get no pay no. But at the end of the day, anyway, this artist got this artist follow him and I do be a free show. You see man call yo, come give me a strength Ray him not get no money. And then now when him fall off now, them see money and I look by your book if them show and all of them thing there, brother. Them thing that drain energy, brother. Strength, drain energy, dog. You see me, as an artist, una deal with business. And every time man call if you do show and you understand, yeah, if a man give a strength, yeah, you can give him back a strength. But bro, when you just get up and give strength on the pan heavy show, when they power on this artist, when you want this artist ever call you and be a freeness, brother. And then that come on out to nothing now. You see it, people tired for soon when they see every party, they now want book you again. You understand? Sometimes when as an artist, you need no value, bro, and a young artist, you just boss. Sometimes you can make people, you know, make people want soon, create a demand, bro, for your career, brother. As a boss, see? Couple people book, you know. When you look, we soon are Uptown Mondays, Post it Tuesday, Weddy Wednesday, in a make a Thursday, in a make a Friday, in a make a Saturday. Bro, focus on your career, dog. Una move like some commoners, like some common citizen where we go party every night. That's how una move, bro. And now take this thing as business. So that's why over the time when your career does moment just decrease, dog. You see me?
You do one interview with one person when nobody knows. True. In my time when me have a little shine.
Yeah, when they should have.
Understand what I say?
No man, this me I do.
Yeah.
So, sense.
as me I say, it's just that in a music thing, bro, you have to kind of look, bro. Just look on it, just look on it.
Would I say artists before them boss, so we get an interview and then you can't get it
when you break out.
You see me? So that make it even corrupt too. To say, oh, young artists can't link me.
Yeah.
You see me? Because I guess so when them break through, them not even, you can't even get them again for do an interview.
Yeah.
When are you
Yeah, there's enough of them things that to mash up with as youth, you know, in our business. When I get a look in, you know.
True.
I select with it and they don't know you're tough, you know.
And this are the thing, people. Yeah. At first, when you're not establishing at the game is, yes, bro, you gotta do interview, about an interview for promote yourself, bro. And then now when you're boss now, seeing, you have to out there, brother, you have tour for the, you have shows and all of them something. So when you see when interview I call it, brother, you don't have time for that, bro. You don't have time for not because yeah, me I remember, you know, at the end of the day, view, you still get views. Same way. But not true say yo me did there so. Remember music boss me. You understand? And an interview. Say me get boss now, me not obligated for give you an interview after my boss, brother. You understand? So these are the thing to people. Them not realize. You see this bag of interview thing, it kill your career. It can damage your career, bro. When people constantly see up on interview, especially when you don't have no project, you don't have nothing forward, you just want to go take an interview. You understand? And worst thing I realize, the interview them where this controversy thing when I have nothing to do with music. You understand? You and a man have a beef and you fall upon it for talk about it and bro, them thing they kill career, bro. You understand? Yeah, interview good, but it good for a certain a moment, like it good for when you have something big forward, you know. So you can alert say yo people, yo, me have something forward. But if you not get up every day, I do interview with everybody, brother, them thing that drain your career from. People got tired for see and all of them. Them not the bag of interview thing, bro. Remember in a life you have good and bad and too much of something not good. You see, to the bag of interview, bro, them thing that make your career get stale. Nobody know want. You understand? Tired. All when you say you do all 10 interview, brother, that not really do nothing much, bro. If you not have something out there. Sometimes you do that worse when it not have nothing to do with music. You see me? So just so the thing said.
Yeah, so because of the money can give me after I do this with my bad and it'll have a short and I remember me. You get me, I say?
Yeah. Foot I shoot that, sir.
Because I show the example still, but you put them, yeah, boom, them, you they do enough for people where them things are obligated to them.
True.
You suppose that people out there right now where I pray miso too.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah, people right now where I pray miso too.
But yeah, all the things are going on social media, artist-wise. Clashing, Masicka, Tommy Lee. Mm-hmm. Understand? Jashi. Don't know. Masicka throw him shade that cartel really. We don't pay no mind with.
Yo, people, want to know hear what the artist I say, cause me have a shape bed, dog. Just hear what I say.
When I go through your brain when you watch all of this unfold.
It don't really make them that deep.
True.
You just know, say, Masicka reach one stage. You see what Masicka do? Like me I show you, say, like corruption part that come in, you know. You dog have to do that if you go to the next level there.
Like corruption type.
Yeah, you have to go in need to move to the next level now.
Yeah.
See? So the first level, I did conscience them.
Yeah.
The dog have to sell out them, they move.
Yeah.
See? Next level of quartet can't find dog have to sell out that and move.
Yeah.
You get me? I say next level of cartel bring him on the next level where they want to admit it or not. You have to just shift them there and move again. So the next level the dog go up and say, I have to do it.
Yeah.
You see what Masicka do now, you have to do it. Yeah.
Bro, if you feel like this man say Masicka have to sell out for where and reach, bro, you know dog, brother. But tell you say you have a wrong thing on your mind, you know, bro. If you feel like say a man, so wait there, Shaggy and Sean Paul them, I sell them and they sell out people for reach with them there? Or a music and promotion and marketing. I never know say artists have to sell out artists if you reach now, brother. You understand? I don't understand this, brother. At the end of the day, bro, Gaza give Masicka the strength. See, Masicka was around the Gaza. You see me? So, at the end of the day, man, Tamil a war, and then him start talk something where we are going with cartel thing and all of them look or something. You see me? While him I say, yeah, me can't say him sell out because at the end of the day, you there around the man them, and then now you have a system of fight. I mean, I understand where system of fight and you and the man them apart like a couple months ago, brother. Where system of fight. If the clash never go on, Masicka wouldn't sing no song about no system, dog. You understand? So, him you can call say, yo, him sell out the thing. Because the man them been a gear strength and a care upon show. You understand? And all these things. So, and then you found out and say, yo, system a fight you and then him a call out some victim and all of them look or something there, brother. Bro, it's no system not fight, brother. Your music them still a play, dog. You see me, nobody not fight, bro. If you call that fight, joke thing that, brother. You understand? Because at the end of the day, if no clash never go on, with you and Tommy Lee, bro, nobody would not come and sing about no system, dog. You see me? And I just stream in at the war and him say, yo, people must say, yo, Tommy Lee rub him out, him kind of shift the thing and go there. So you understand? But, brother, Masicka, For that you say I gonna make Masicka career, brother. I don't know a man is signed to a label, bro, and everything at Jamaica. I don't know what you mean by reach to that level, there, bro. You understand? Because remember, say Masicka fan, most time fan was the Gaza thing, so I don't know what you mean. You see it?
You know, go reach to that level where you want. You know, I'm sure you say to reach to the pinnacle, bro. You have to corrupt.
Yeah.
You have to corrupt. So you just have to shift people, bro. You have to shift people. Just look at everybody where most people are successful, lad.
Some corruption.
People have to get shift up, bro.
Move up. Move from
People have to get shift up, lad. Whether I known or not known, whether I behind the doors or in public, people have to get shift up.
But naturally, bro, naturally, I not say shift up, brother. Naturally, if your life, seeing, if you got progress, bro, you go up on different levels. See? So look, you know, if you usually dip on the corner with some dog, bro, if you start go university or start go school or move Ghana foreign, brother, you not go say yo, you sell out. You just move on with yourself, brother. You see me? And I just saw the thing said, Masicka no need of this the Gaza thing for move on and reach that level there. He never did have to do that, bro. You understand? He never did have to do that, brother. First of all, he mean at the clash. He never did have to pre for mids cartel, brother. You see me? He could have just deal with family and just move on, dog. You see it? So if at that you say a man have to sell out for reach, bro, yeah, try to set up a man this, brother. That'll only make him think look away, dog. You see me? That only cut certain things, bro. You're not real then. You see me? And I just saw the thing said, but I don't know where you get your sellout thing from, dog. If at that you feel like artists have to reach a certain level, brother, I wrong mistake that, bro.
Over the years.
But the clash thing, you know, differently. It two of them are bad artists still.
Family.
Two of them are bad artists, dog.
Father.
It two of them are bad artists, and me enjoy clash, man.
Yeah.
Me enjoy clash at a point till where he does feel like say it's all foolishness.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
When each crash.
But it's just somewhere it have to do, man. Him knowing himself, say,
People, Masicka and Bridging, you know. Yeah, man, Masicka and Bridging. So that's a yeah, man, talk, so.
those great people who understand what Masicka do. Cartel know what Masicka do, you know. Cartel understands and have to do it.
Yeah, true.
Cartel did have to do it. So teacher know. You see it? All of them know. Family know what I do. And them thing. You know what I see it? Say in a few months from now, Masicka go up on a different level. I say, blood clot. You see me? I just show this one, you know.
Yeah.
People, remember what progress say, you know. Few months, you're going to see Masicka on a level. You understand? We are going to see. You see me? It's a few months. So we are going to look out.
Corruption, them say.
It going to look like, say, at a point, it may look like him a fall, like go down. Like how they must say him do the show.
Antigua show.
But they're going to see one massive change.
Something never change. Something never happen.
Not damaging to him. Like him a fall.
You know, say to me, my Masicka have the same mindset, you know. That's why maybe him film career just not reach certain place. You understand? It look like them have the same mindset, dog. You see me? Cause man say in the next 2 months time Masicka career go. Brother, if this man signed to a label and him now move, brother, we are telling the money as a joke thing.
Too far.
Masicka an artist, you know, then you got the body.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you dog the body, man. Masicka you to listen to music.
Straight.
Yeah, Masicka you to listen to music. If you shot the dog a message right now, the dog will reply and say, bad artist. You see it? You don't know whether them will give you. When the time right, man. When you last week collab.
Yeah.
And when the time right, you'll get, you know.
So who you don't want to collab with right now, knowing the type of music what you do?
I'm sure you say Masicka them see him, man. Masicka them are you to only see him. Type of meditation, see him over.
Yeah.
You see?
Consciousness in our Masicka.
But these are you.
Trashy them.
We have some with Labas when he released it, see him, we were bad.
Yeah.
But you see Labas a father corruption.
Yeah. Pick up Labas.
Labas a father corruption, so it's not an easy man to deal with, you know.
Yeah.
But because I show you that the idea still, collaboration is not something I sit down and meditate.
Yeah, true.
I don't like collaboration. For me, I look at youth. I got steal them. I never like collab with the dog, they did like that.
Yeah.
Because collaboration does bring corruption, bro, and mash up friendship and stuff.
Yeah, come on, I go say. Remember you beg the collab.
Yeah.
Remember
Have a collab
we get
for
strength.
and I was doing.
Yo, brother, then if you say you don't like collab, you have collab with Silk Bass and them, I don't understand, brother. You see it, if you don't like collab, brother, not do it then. You see me, I say collab mash up. I don't know what you mean by that, bro. Look how much artists how they do collab, brother. What you mean by mash up? Unless you have an intention, you see me, your intention to say, yo, you know, I give that brother your collab and strength, you know. And him this me, I go tell him, I go say, yo, remember me give you a collab. It's an intentional thing that, bro. If you give a man a collab with a good within heart, bro, you're not gonna have them meditation if you say, yo, them thing there are corruption. I never know say collaboration a corruption, dog. Where you get that from, brother? If you have the bro as an artist, if you have the mindset, brother, you're not gonna reach away from.
Silk Bass.
Yeah.
Pick up one motion.
Yeah.
Have a collaboration, video shoot already and thing I just drop and promote it.
That work. Love that.
No, I tell you, I use a rare bro when it does not see it.
True.
Just check, if you have a time and you go so boom, more, you say, oh, this is what progress be that deal.
Yeah, man.
You go see some never yet stop drop quality music. Not just music, you know. quality music, bro.
Real talk.
It did like for them go look and see.
So look at now, people. Other song named Progress Memory Lane. This give him the little hotness. You see me? Him get a little, attention with that song, yeah. You see me? Progress Memory Lane. See? That really give him the song. Then look at now. So the last song him dropped, I like about 4 weeks ago. Then before that, 4 months, 5 months. See, and then the next one 6 months, then the next one 9 months ago, then the next one 10 months ago. You understand? Not even know so them money that still drop music. But I tell you people, them money I do music, but them now want to promote themselves, brother. You have to pay for promote yourself, dog. You can't just, that's what I'm telling you, brother. Music is as an artist, it's not all about just releasing. Look how you release so much songs. See, watch it. 5 months ago, you get 400 and what you call it? 449 views. Because, bro, when I drop these songs, brother, and now focus on one and promote the song, bro. When I do that, when I just want drop song and feel like say, yo, this song I just blow up, so, bro, you have to promote it. Pay some IG page. Pay all of them people who have to promote your song, bro. You see me? Yeah, do one interview and say, yo, promote your song, brother. And now promote yourself, bro. And feel like you can just release music. 100 music for a year, no promotion. And that's how the thing work, brother. You understand? You have to pay. Seem like how you live, you have to pay your bills. You see it, so you can't stay there.
Space of music, for my work. More time you just away, you see in front of you.
You not go see them like this.
In front of you.
Unless me as a youth, you just say, yo, you read progress and you listen to in my house.
Yeah.
But I just saw it thing, bro. If you're in the algorithm, you're just in the algorithm.
Sure.
And me can't complain, bro. Because me say me know what to do for going on. So it's either you do it or you not do it and go and track.
This I go send you night.
Bro, but if you not promote your music, them, or you go in the algorithm. Bro, that with enough of the artists in bro. You don't want to sit down and want people for just take up on a product and just run with it, so brother. Bro, you too selfish in a career, dog. You see me? You put up song. You do seem like how you say, yo, you're on a stage and a video. See? You want the man now for video your clip on a stage and perform and post it up on film channel. You understand? That's how the thing work, bro. So many times you have to spend and the man tell you, say, yo, you have to have money, Here where you are going to say, yo, you not have that. Then how you are going to reach that level there? Oh, you think them big artists, they out there, bro, and people know them song. I pay a radio station and them look a thing there, brother. You're too comfortable, brother. This bagger, you know one man for go no collab and this and that, bro. Promoting yourself, brother. Promoting a brand. You can't sit down and expect the people are going to just do things for you if you not do it. Then if you not put invest in your own career, all people for invest in your brother. You understand? And that's why maybe you're not in and not talking at the dancehall scene, bro. You see me? Because you just sit down and you expect say a man for video up on stage and put it up. You expect say people for run with your song. DJ, if you not pay the DJ them, how your song go play? You have to pay, bro, for promote yourself, brother. Every business do that. Every business pay. Advertise them brand, them have to pay, bro. You think now go grow, or you think tree grow and plants grow. Brother, you and farming and them and fruits and vegetable. Bro, you have to buy fertilizer and all of them little thing there, bro, for you think grow, brother. You just want to sit down and just put out music and expect the people to run with that. You go and stay, because your career go stay right with there.
Yeah, if it happen, it happen.
The interview I said him.
Yeah, if it happen, bro. If it happen, but
like you say, nah, she's a cloud.
We not talk. Not what me I say right now, me not say it because I want to go viral, but I just a bit real and be myself.
That is it.
You get me, I say?
EP, anything?
No, not right now. Right now, I'm not sense to drop no EP and no anything. It's just about going in the waters.
Stage
right
shows
now,
coming up.
as me I say right now, we just a focus right now. Forget. Right now, I focus on the music side right now. Forget the right. I want a fresh sound, you see it?
Yeah, Joe.
So a while ago, the brother asked me, tell you now, them dancehall artists are coming like some female who just sit down and expect things. See? Brother, you, the man asked you about EP. Fine. See, you are going to say, yo, we not need an EP right now. Brother, you see, that with Uno, brother. You see, because you know why I'm saying that, people? Because look, he might put out song already, and nobody not paying no mind. And the reason is that he's not promoting his songs. Him no want pay no money, he want man for take him song and just run with it. DJ for take him song off of YouTube and run with it. See? So you say you don't want to drop no EP. You want to focus on changing voice and all of them things. Brother, years you have put out music, you're not promoting none of them. You think say boom boom and them man they go run with their song, bro, and you're not pay and all of them. And so it go, brother. You have to pay for live, bro. You understand? So maybe that's why your career not really reach nowhere, brother. Because I kind of realize you expect the people to get up and just do things for you, brother. Remember, brother, you can't watch the artists them where the page them a clip and the performance them a clip in, brother. Because them artists they promote themselves already and put in the work over the years. So people them build them status, build them attention. You understand? So look at now, people know say right when you post this man, your page or your Instagram page or Instagram or YouTube page go. It'll go viral, Zine, and then you'll get views and make money because why? Them artists have promote themselves and big up them thing till them a giant in the game. So anything them do on people video and go up there, it'll go viral. You understand? So you as an artist, we are forward up now. Brother, you not reach that level there yet where page are gonna take you and just post you up, so brother. Because why? Bro, you hold back your own career. You don't want to promote nothing for yourself. You don't want to spend no money on your career. The man tell you, say, yo, if me I go take you up and promote you up on my page with your performance, you have to have money. You hear what I say? You don't have no money for that, you know. Then your career go stay right there on the ground, brother. I saw things that a dancehall, bro. When you feel like as an artist, bro, a business, you know, brother. It's like you don't really understand a business. You feel like you can just do music. Same like how you do video, you have to pay the videographer and all of them like a thing there, brother. And you have to pay people for your clothes, them where you go buy for the video. I same thing, you have to pay for promotion, brother. So you can go and sit down and stay there. That me I tell you though.
First son, that me I deal right now. So right now, stage one of them things that they on a pause right now for me.
Unless you get the call.
No,
The right call.
I'll even call me. Right now, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is it, man.
Well, if I saw your number, the stage show call you, you know, go. Well, I understand if you in your mind and your career and you feel like so you want to change up something and do something different, fine. You see me? But don't feel like you're going to sit down there and people are going to run with what you have or whatever music just like that, brother. You have to pay and promote yourself, you see me? So people, I one of them thing there and I'm going to tell you about them young artists, yeah. Them kind of damage them own self, bro, and hold back them own career, dog. You see me? As him there, you know, seem like him a promote himself, him not promoting music, them and all of them something. You see me? Him just want to sit down, as him say, them not post him video when him there on stage and all of them look at something. So at them, him want handouts and them thing there. You understand? Yeah. But you can't see same kind of, you know, look a feeling and thing. But I saw you go, brother, if you're not spending, you're not going to reach nowhere, brother. I tell you that. Yeah. And I just saw you things say. But people, when I don't know when I want media facts and a big up, respect for the support, and I don't know it trips already, you see it. That is it.